Today, I'll show you how to create and use multiple calendars in Google Calendar. This is really useful if you want to keep different parts of your life organized, like work, personal appointments, school, or family events, all in one place, but clearly separated. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a new calendar, customize it, and add tasks or events specifically to that calendar. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to manage your calendars. Once the page loads, you'll see your main calendar in the center, and on the left-hand side, you'll find a panel with different sections. In that left panel, look for the section labeled My Calendars. This is where your primary calendar lives and where any other calendars you create will eventually appear. It might already include things like your main calendar, reminders, or tasks. Just below that, you'll see another section called Other Calendars. I'll show you the easiest way to create a brand new calendar from this area. In the Other Calendars section, move your mouse over it and look for a small plus icon. Click that plus icon. A menu will pop up with several options related to calendars. From this menu, choose the option that says Create New Calendar. This will take you to a new page where you can set up the details for your calendar. Here, you'll see fields for the calendar name, an optional description, and the time zone. Go ahead and enter a clear name that tells you what this calendar is for, like work, personal, or family schedule. In the description box, you can add a brief note to remind yourself what kind of events belong here, which can be helpful if you end up creating several calendars later. Make sure the time zone matches where you live or where most of your events will happen, so that reminders and event times stay accurate. Once you're happy with those settings, click the Create Calendar button. Google Calendar will create it in the background, and you'll see a confirmation message. After it's created, use the left-hand panel again and look under My Calendars. Your newly created calendar should appear in that list, usually with a default color. Now, to customize it visually, click on the name of your new calendar on the left. Then, next to that name, click on the three dots icon. This opens a small menu of options just for that calendar. One of the simplest ways to tell calendars apart is by color, so choose Select Color and pick a color that stands out from your other calendars. This makes it easy to see at a glance which events belong to which calendar. Next, let's add a task or event to this calendar. At the top left of the screen, click the Create button. A small window will appear with different options. Click on Task to create a task, or choose an event if that's what you prefer. In the creation window, add a clear title, set the date and time, and if needed, add guests, a location, and a short description so you remember the details. Before you save, look for the drop-down that lets you choose which calendar this item goes on. Open that drop-down and select the calendar you just created using the name and color you chose earlier. When everything looks good, click Save. Your task or event will now appear on your calendar, clearly marked in the color of your new calendar, helping you keep different areas of your life neatly organized.